Hello students of standard 6. Today we are going to learn what is this game part 2. We have learned in the last class game is a very good game but it is mind game. It puts full our mind and attention on this game. This game was early played during the war and it is symbol of the war that two parties are there. King and queens are very important, especially the king. Once king is captured by the opponent, so that game is over, game is defeated. So same in the war, when the king was captured, the country had lost. Country was lost. So here also in this game, and that's why Javed Akhtar, the poet, says, if I were to assume that these pieces are no more than wooden toy. So he says these pieces are assumed that it is no more wooden toy, it is the real life. Then what is the point in the victory defeat? So he says if it is not a real, what is the point of the victory and defeat? Neither is this necessary nor is that important. This game is not that important if it is not real. How it can be? Nor sorrow in a loss. Then what is the game? He is saying, in this game no pleasure to win, no sorrow in loss. What a game, what a life. There is no excitement. Nothing is there which we can do it. I think if I must play, then I should convince myself. He is telling, if I have to play, I should convince myself that it is real. We have to think it, plan it. So he says that I have to convince myself this is a game and I have to play. That these pieces are indeed king and soldier. He has to convince that these pieces are real soldier and king and queen. So I have to protect, and this keeping in mind I should play. I have to assume that these are the real foot soldiers. He is showing the soldiers and saying these soldiers are real soldiers. And are it before them, they are standing before them to attack, to fight. Is the enemy army. He is telling, these are the enemy army who are ready to attack, who are ready to fight. Look at here in the picture. Here is knight, this is rook, this is king, this is bishop, and this is pawn, and this is queen. So these are the main picture of the game, and there are so many squares here, and see here one side people are put here and they are here. They have to start. The first game starts, the pawn put 2 square can jump, but afterwards 1-1. And here both ready to play, sitting and playing very seriously. This is a very serious played game. People enjoy playing. Look at this here, how they are thinking and playing, full attention is there. He says that he was staring, looking at the black and white pieces. Is it real or what is realities of life? He said that, and he has completed his game and now his chance is there. He is looking at it, staring at it and thinking so much what can be done. What is this? Is it real game? Is it the soldiers are army? If the armies are enemy, ready to attack, ready to be there. So dear children, this game you may be knowing it. Many of you have played many times. In the school also many times sports time we conduct this game. So I hope you are very sure of it and all of you have seen it. Many of you have played it. And I know yesterday you told me that many of the learned from their uncle, their brother, their cousins. That is very good. We should know everything, but we should not waste our time. We should play little for the interest and recreation. Full time we should not spend with the game. But this game is a mind game. As to win, you need attention where to protect the soldier should go and where the king should be kept protected. Like that, you have to pay attention in everything. Unless you are attentive, unless you are alert or very sensitive to the situation, you cannot get success. You cannot win. So in life, anything you do, you should pay your full attention and be attentive to do. During the studies hour also, sometime you play, sometime you talk and teachers goes on teaching you. And your attention is somewhere else. Your mind is somewhere. Your eyes is on the book, but your mind is somewhere. You have to put fully yourself in the work what you do. Whatever it may be, work. You have to be attentive while doing or while studying. You should know what you are studying and for what you are studying. If you are aware, if you are alert, if you are attentive, surely you will have success in all what you do. So awareness is very, very important for life. Understood? Yesterday I gave you some work. Have you done it? How many of you after the class you played the chess? Children, I don't have any objection for your play. You can play. Play is very, very important for our life, for our health. So you can have a play, but should not spend more time on it. Certain time you should play, fixed time you should play, and rest of the time you should do the duty what you have to do. Clear to you? Okay students, any doubt is there? Please you call me on my phone. You know it, my phone number, personal mobile. So please call and get cleared your doubt. Okay. Thank you children.